Ah, shoo. Ganda. Thanks God.
She give me loving in the morning time. She love. She give me loving in the morning time. Well, when I wake up in the morning from a night to staying at a place, I rise up with the sunrise with a smile on my face. Hazy memories of what we did last night, but when I'm with her, I know that it's alright, alright. I just wanna wake up and get baked with you, eat breakfast in bed and chill all afternoon. I know that today you got some things to do, but first I wanna love you again. So she love. She give me loving in the morning time. I said she love. She give me loving in the morning time.
Come on, baby girl, yes, you make I feel the best. Thinking about you smiling with my hands up on your chest. I'm up to your king, girl. You copy my embrace. Rhythms playing to my heart, but it's the beat that I can't resist. I said, now sweetness of your lips, the way you shake your hips, give me that good loving in the early morning. What must be what am I offering? Loving up from within, said I wanna touch your sexy body, just them tattoos on your skin, and we be up dancing all night, bonfires and midnight. But vibes are always high, and now we never fuss or fight. You said that twinkle in your eye is got me hypnotized. She my tequila lady, oh yes, my baby does it right. I said she love.
She give me loving in the morning time. I said she love.
Linggo time.
She give me loving in the morning time. She love.
Hello guys, bye-bye. Liligo muna ako, tapos mamaya pupunta akong simbahan o kung nagpasalamat. Bye-bye. Hi, hello mga ka-vibes. Ako ngayon ni Mikmik. Birthday ko ngayon yan na, ngadlaw. Thank you Lord nga, adi ko yan na. Magpapasalamat ang kita at Ginoo. Adi ko simbahan. Bye-bye.
Your love struck me down lightning, thunder in my soul, baby. My heart beats for you only. Every word is true. I'm in love with you. Take you
Hello
as
guys,
you
gusto ko
are.
ngayon magpasalamat tayo ng mga greetings sa ako na nag-greet ako na akong mga sangkay. Ngayon akong mga iba pang sangkay nga na nakilala ako. Ngayon na akong pamilya, na akong kabugtuan. Shout out ngayon kan shout out kan Kuya Pax Channel, shout out yung L2 Channel, kan Jumpy, Rootsman, Kuya Roots, shout out tayo mo. Kung Kuya Ram, ngan Hirayo Family, shout out tayo. Mahal ko kamo. Ay salamat amulay sa takon ba mo kanya na iyo. God bless. Salamat kan Grace. Bye bye.